Hello everybody, AC2 here, and today I'm going to go ahead and wrap my eBay Beats Studio wirelesses, from the previous videos. I recently just found out that these are the cheapest Beats wireless ever, but I also found out that these headphones have a lot of defects, like, as I'm showing right now, some scratches they have. Some dirt. If I could just... There we go. See, there's a lot of scratches on one side. As you can see, there's that inside panel. I'm not going to replace that with the super glue. That side also has scratches, but has no damage to the inside panel. At least not as much as the other side. And there's the wrap. I got it from SlickWraps. It was on sale. I think they still are on sale, even though it said it was a one-day deal. It's kind of a ripoff, but still, it was a good price, good product. And I'm gonna go ahead and go putting this on right now. I'll be going silent while I'm doing that. I'm gonna mute the audio. What else? Well, I think that's about it. I'm gonna just go ahead and go into the video right now. Alright, so now the wrap is finished. You can see it. There are some imperfections, some air bubbles still that I couldn't get out. I got some of them out later after the video was finished, but yeah. All those stickers I'm showing right now, I'm not gonna put those. I don't like how they look. I'm gonna put the Beats button cutout somewhere else, and the others I just don't think I'm gonna use them because they kind of block the Beats logos and branding, and I don't like that. And yeah, I actually got something else to show you guys, something for the next video, which is another cheap Beats product I got from eBay. I know they're real too. It's 2 Beats pills. I think the one that I'm gonna actually end up keeping, the other one I'm gonna sell. One of them is a Beats Pill 2. I'm gonna keep that and sell the Beats Pill 1 that also came with it. They both have problems. The Beats Pill 2, the one I'm keeping, the battery is bad, and the Beats Pill 1, the Bluetooth doesn't work. I'm selling the one that doesn't work, the Beats Pill 1, with the malfunctioning Bluetooth. And when that happens, I think that the Beats Pill 2 I'm keeping is gonna be the cheapest Beats Pill 2 on eBay, I think. So that's gonna be good. And there's the finished product. There's the Beats. Pretty good, I say so. I'm actually gonna paint something else later on in the same pattern as the camo. And thanks for watching. I'm gonna put that video later on for the Beats Pills. Goodbye.